Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can turn off ask permission to download apps on iPhone. And let's go ahead and do that. So first of all, you want to go ahead and open up settings. Once you are on settings, you want to click on your Apple ID right there. Now you will see here family sharing. So you want to go ahead and click right there. And now you will see organizer and the account where you want to go ahead and turn off those ask permission to download apps. So you want to click on that account. Now you will see when you scroll down ask to buy button. So you just click on it. And here you have it. You can turn off the required purchase approval. Just turn it off. And like so, you're going to be able to go ahead to the App Store and download whatever application you want to without the approval. So yeah, guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye.